now is available at Mccarthycars BMW X1 xDrive 2-liter diesel auto 2011 metallic silver. Car has front fog lights, front parking sensor, 18-inch alloy wheels, it's got privacy rear glass, roof rails. Car has rear parking sensor. It's got split folding rear seats. Full black leather interior. It's got side and front airbags, 5 headrests, ISOFIX child seat preparation, 4 electric window, electric mirror, folding mirror, front auto headlights. Car has CD, it's got AUX connection, USB, telephone, Bluetooth connection, 2-zone climate control, air conditioning, heated seats, automatic transmission, USB AUX connection, parking sensor option, multifunction steering wheel, it's got cruise control. Thank you for watching.